folks. Welcome to Smile Healing Institute channel. Today's topic is brain rewiring. Let me ask you something. How long have you been telling yourself the same story? I'm not good with money. I always self-sabotage. This is just who I am. Stop, because I'm going to tell you something that's going to change your life today, right now, in the next 5 to 10 minutes. Your brain is not fixed. It is not hardware. Science calls this neuroplasticity, and once you understand it, you'll never make excuses again ever. Here is what nobody tells you: 95% of what you do every single day is a habit, a pattern, a program running on autopilot. You wake up, you think the same thoughts, you feel the same feelings, you take the same actions, and you get the same results. Then you wonder why your life is not changing. I have worked with many people, like business people and small business owners and etc. I'm telling you, the same principle applies to every single one of them. Change your state and change your story. Change your story and change your life. Now, let me break this down for you, because this is not just motivation. This is neuroscience. Every time you repeat a thought, you strengthen a neural pathway. It's like walking through a field. The first time it's hard, there's tall grass resistance, but walk the same path every day and you create a trail. Walk it for years and you create a highway. That highway is your habit. That highway is your identity. Here's the problem: most people have spent 20, 30, 40 years walking the same destructive path, like fear, doubt, I can't, and they wonder why it's impossible to change. But I'm telling you, you're not your past patterns. You're not that highway. You have the power right now in the moment to start walking a new path. Here's how you do it: 3 steps. Write this down. Step 1: interrupt the pattern. The moment you catch yourself in an old thought, I always fail, I'm not enough, you interrupt it. Physically stand up, clap your hands, change your physiology immediately, because emotion is created by motion. You cannot feel depressed standing tall, shoulders back, breathing deep and smiling. Try it. It's physiologically impossible. Now, let's come to the step 2. Install the new pattern with emotion. The brain does not rewire from information. It rewires from repetition plus emotion. This is critical. You can read 1,000 self-help books, but if you don't feel the new belief in your body, nothing changes. So when you catch that old thought, replace it immediately. I'm capable. I figure things out. I'm becoming the best version of myself. And just don't say it. Feel it in your chest, in your posture, in your breath. Step 3: repeat until it's automatic. This is where 95% of people quit. They do it once, they don't see instant results, they give up. But neuroscience proves it takes consistent repetition to build a new neural pathway. Consistency beats intensity every single time. I want you to understand something. You didn't become who you are overnight. You're not going to rewire your brain overnight either. But you can start today, right now, in this exact moment. Here is your challenge. For the next 7 to 10 days, every single time you catch a limiting thought, I want you to do 3 things. Interrupt it physically, replace it with an empowering thought, and feel that new thought in your body for at least 10 to 20 seconds. 10 seconds to 20 seconds repeated enough times, revise your brain. That's not motivational talk, that's a biology. You're not broken. You don't need fixing. You have a brain that is designed to change, designed to adapt, designed to grow. The only question is, are you going to direct that change consciously, or are you going to keep letting your past run your future? The decision is yours. It always has been. Your brain is a muscle. Your thoughts are the workout. Start training today, because the life you want is on the other side of the patterns you're willing to break. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video.